Hi guys, Mike here for Expert Trades, doing a review on Stanley TwinTec. And when I first saw this, I thought it was a bit of a JML gadgety tool. I've had it for a while, and when I get out the tool bag, I get asked a lot of questions about it. Now, it is mainly all plastic. All these bars and that joining together are plastic. The heads are metal and all the gearing's metal, but it still does weigh quite a bit. It isn't the lightest tool. Now, DeWalt offer a version of this as well as Stanley. The DeWalt one, the colours are reversed on where this is yellow, the DeWalt's black, and where this is black, the DeWalt's yellow. But that's an extra £10 just for a different colour scheme, which I didn't really see the point of. If it was lime green, I probably would have paid another £10 for it, to be fair. But all in all, this has been a really handy tool when I have used it. Now, the only downside of found is the heads are very big and they're not particularly long for recessed fasteners or nuts or bolts. But when you can use it, it does the job. Basic principle is it's two ratchets with a gear selector on each end, and then all you do is rotate this yellow disc on the back and the jaws come in. The jaws will grip wherever's in there, and then just use it like a standard ratchet. It's even angle, so your knuckles are nice and clear as you're using it. Now, you don't know how many teeth the gears have. It's not meant to be the world's most fancy tool, it's just meant to be a practical tool, and it did nearly do me in my search for stuff with rounded fasteners, because do a lot of maintenance work and I come to a lot of stuff that's been took off 100 times and starting to get a bit worn, and you never know, sometimes you're the one who ends up rounding it off. And yeah, that's Stanley TwinTec, guys. A strange little gadgety tool, but nonetheless a good tool. Thanks guys.